Hi, Diane here. If you're new or returning from yesterday, welcome.
Hi friends, I'm just casting on Jolene and got to do 8 rows of her and then back to the charcoal.
another good ball wind, and we went into town. Here are some of the fields. They're very close to our property. And there's a special little place that has a special little animal or two. Right up here, there are some alpacas. And someday, friends, I'm gonna stop and see if I can get a closer look.
Drive into the city, and we went to visit our niece, and she had just purchased her first home. She's only 26 years old. She's an adult, but 26 years old and a homeowner. I am so proud of her. So we helped them with the bit of the last of the move, her and her partner. One of the boxes was open, and I looked in it, and I noticed it was the sock monkey that I knit her, gosh, a long, long time ago. And it has worn well. I had to take a little video to share with you, but I was so excited because I made this with classic merino wool, the Patton's classic merino. The proof is in the pudding with this little sock monkey, I have to tell you. Yeah, I'm just so excited for her. And on our drive home, we stopped and got a few groceries, and we noticed that it is very festive out. There was a Christmas tree set up booth in one of the parking lots with this giant snowman, and all of the stores are starting to have their little festive snow writing on their windows. The only thing we are missing is the real snow. There isn't really any snow in the city. We have some out here. It's going to seem like the holidays without it. What's it like in your part of the world? Do you normally get snow at Christmas, or is it pretty warm? Please send me comments below. I'd love to hear from you if you've been watching.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've been enjoying YARNvent. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone, and we will see you very soon. Bye for now.
If only for a moment we can make the darkness cease. For Christmas I just want a little peace.